Hello, my name is Alexander and I will show you how to make one voltage regulator with voltage regulation yourself. This is a cheap variant, so we used an old 18 volt 1 ampere laptop charger and small trash can as a case and used simple electronics we made ourselves. We use simple electronics. Here is one electronic diagram with electronics components. In order to be able to do what we want, we need the following electronic parts. This is where we install a transistor with a refrigerator. Then the diode. After that, we need the capacitor 10 microfarads. After that we need another diode. After that we need a resistor and another capacitor and one variable resistor. We will also install one of these connectors to connect the wires from the charger. When installing the transistor, we pay attention to how the transistor is connected in the electronics circuit and how it looks in reality. In order to be able to connect all these parts, we will use an electronics board, to which we will solder all our parts. When soldering, we will pay attention to how we oriented the parts where orientation is important, such as diode and capacitors. We have finished our electronics, which is now located there, and we can see that all electronics parts are now soldered to the board. We can see a charger connector that always allows us to connect different chargers or our device, or electronic support from 125 to 30 volt direct current. From the inside we can see the wires that are connected to the contact screws and the wires that are connected to the variable resistor. Now we are going to put our laptop charger in our box. The charger is 18 volts and 1.1 amps. We'll put the charger inside and connect it to the electronics. Connect the charger to the power supply is almost done. We can see that our device is running and delivering current from 125 volts to 16 volts. We used this device for a while and now we have decided to upgrade it. Before us again this scheme, the brightener part of the scheme refers the part of the have already made. The second part of the scheme is the dark part and show what we want to do now. We want to add one display that will show both voltage and amperage. We will reopen our box to remind ourselves what is inside. Inside are our laptop charger and electronics. We need to tear everything down so we can drill holes in the boxes for our new parts. Our new parts are a display and an old phone charger that will be used to operate the display, plug with 3 sockets, bulb indicator, switch and one European power connector. Now we need to make openings on our box. We will use a small front grinder for cutting to cut off the openings as accurately as possibly, we made a carbonate templates that we used to cut the openings of the box precisely. With the switch, we need to make two contacts from one contact. We will use a clamp for this. When we have made openings on the box, we insert all parts. The first part is the European power connector. Then we connect it to the switch and connect the ground wire directly to the socket with 3 inputs. Then we add a bulb connector, which we connected to the output contacts of the switch. We then connect the 3 input sockets also to the switch output contacts. Now he will mount the switch in its place. We can see that the switch is working. Since we have practically completed the electrical part of the job, we can also test that part. We will connect our device to the power supply and see that indicator illuminates when the switch is switched on, or that everything is working properly. Now we continue to work on the electronic part. We cut our wire leading to the negative output contact and connected the connector to the display. We connected the display charger to the second display connector and run the yellow wire to the positive output contact. We will connect the connectors to the display and put the display in its place. Then we will mount our contact screws. It's all over now, and we still have to connect the laptop charger to the electronics, to plug both chargers into the power supply, and of course try to put everything in our box. When we are done, we can try out our device. During the project, we were covered by 2 mistakes. The first mistake is in the scheme. Someone has put the app display connection scheme on the internet, but this scheme is not good. It is necessary for the red wire to be connected to the black wire side and for the black wire to be connected to the red wire side. In the wrong connection mode, the display will only show voltage and not amperage. Another mistake we made was that we ordered the cheapest display to arrive from China. We didn't pay attention to the seller ratings. We got a display showing but the voltage and amperage with red numbers, and we were supposed to get a display where the numbers for the amperage will be blue. But that is not all. You see that we have connected to the fan, and now everything is working, and the display shows both voltage and amperage. But when the voltage rises above 9 volts, we see that the first digit has disappeared on our display. Since it will not be worth it to us return this display to China now, we will keep it. But when you do your project, pay attention to the salaries rating, because sometimes it's cheaper, actually more expensive. That will be all. Thank you for your attention.